Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you about how you can get 95% discount on hosting or hosting. You can use description code and buy the best plan. I put this link on description, and you can see here. Suppose I choose any plan, and suppose I choose this plan, and you got 95% today. You can see 72% got this. If you choose for 12 months, you can got this like this. If you choose now, the deal end in 1 day 14 hours. Before this deal, you can choose this code, and you got the caption code and save your money. Thank you.